going to draw bird in your skill book. For doing this activity, we will require skill book and crayon. Let's get started. First, take the skill book and place it in the center. Now grab black crayon. Then draw one circle like this, and here draw one sleeping line like this, and then draw one curve like this. Inside of this, you have to draw one sleeping line and one curve like this, and then draw one slanting line and standing line, and again slanting line, sleeping line, standing line, again sleeping line, and then draw one slanting line, one standing line, and one slanting line. Now inside of the circle, draw one dot to represent eyes, and draw one small curve like this, and then I'm going to draw beak like this, and then draw one standing line and slanting line like this, again another slanting line, standing line, slanting line, again slanting line. That's it. Our bird drawing is ready. Now we are going to color the bird. Here I am going to take pink color. You can use your desired color. That's it. Bird drawing is done. Enjoy this activity.